gross out. It's nasty. It's overcast. Head down, keep his head down, keep his head down. There we go, guys. It has been a long time coming since we've got out here and targeted muskie. It is perfect right now. It's that time of year. This is the time to get numbers. This is the time to get big fish. And today it's gross out. It's nasty. It's overcast. It's like misting. It's raining. It is a perfect day to get on a big fish. So we're gonna try and get that done. I got two buddies out here with me today, and we're just kind of being serious. You know, I usually like get a little wild here in these videos, but today, like, I got a big fish to catch. I haven't got a big fish all year, or big muskie for that matter. I think I literally have one muskie in the boat for the entire year. So I'm excited. It's good to be back. It's great to be out here. These are some of the best conditions I believe you can possibly fish. The water's not bad. Everything's lined up perfectly. We just got to get on some fish. So, hey, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's hope we get on a tank. I wish I had glasses today. I'll tell you that. Someone should get spooked off his bed. Want him. Grab that. Hey. I got your rod. Get the net, Corey. Hold the bottom of the net when you scoop it up. Told you we. Hey, keep that tip up. Tighten that drag a little bit. You got net, Corey? Yeah. All right, I'm gonna grab the camera.
A little higher.
You're good.
Yeah, hooked perfect.
Oh, that's 40s, dude. That's a really good fish. Keep his head down. Keep his head down. Keep his head down. There you go. Just let him go. Because you're gonna freak him out with that net. He'll go right under those buttons. Bring him back. Bring him back. Pull him back. Yeah. There we go, guys.
Yeah, buddy.
All right, dip him down. Woo! So it looked a lot bigger than it is. Careful with your fingers, because he'll cut you up, dog. You got him though, and we bumped him just to, you know, get things taken care of before the fish comes out. But it looked a lot bigger, man. But only 39 1/4. So. This is Nagy's first muskie in what, 2 years?
Like 9 years, dude.
9 years?
Real young last time I caught one of these guys.
Dope.
Sick.
That's what we're out here to do. The first one down, let's get another, bro. All right, want to release him?
Yeah, get it on my phone. Actually, here, let me, let's go. He's been hit by a prop.
All right. Give it like 3, 2, 1. Give him a push. He'll be all right. Give me some. Baby. I told you exactly that. I knew that was gonna be perfect. Perfect. We got one fish down. We've been here like an hour. I'm pumped. I got a buddy on. I've only caught one fish this year, but we got a buddy on a fish that hasn't caught a fish in so long, so that was well deserved. 39 1/4. I can't believe that. I thought for sure it was like 42. It looked really good when it jumped, but hey, fat fish, healthy fish, so I'm pumped. Let's get some more, guys.
This year's been slow. It's been slow. I've only got, I think, 2 hours.
It's possible.
Yeah, because that sandbar comes out all the way. It goes out far.
There you go.
Oh! You actually really. I know. It caught me off guard.
You even said it on it.
I was looking at your motor. I wasn't even looking at my lure.
You set the hook and just ripped it.
I know. I was looking at the motor. Okay, I'm focusing now. All my lures. So once I have that treble hook.
You see that?
Yeah.
I just got thumped right there.
Yeah. No, like I see the fish. I saw the fish.
It literally bit right there. Come on. Literally bit the tip of my treble hook. I felt it. It was like thunk.
You didn't see him?
No, I didn't see it, but I felt it.
Sweet. Oh, there's fish. He's still there. He's still there.
Wow.
He's still there. Work it either. I kept reeling. He missed it. Oh, fish. He's still there.
Oh, that's massive. Dude, did you see his whole back?
She was big.
Bro, just keep casting.
She was big.
It's not like he's being very subtle with it, like just nipping.
He just like sat there for a second after he hit.
Don't get all, just keep rolling it. Just keep.
Sat there. Little slow roll.
Dude, did you see the back on that thing?
Yeah, dude, that was big.
My gosh, dude.
How deep is it right here?
What a day, man. What a freaking day. Oh, yeah. So we got out there and we fished super hard. I didn't spend a ton of time on the filming aspect of it because I thought today was gonna be just like a really crazy day. And it was a good day. Any day that you put a muskie in the boat is considerably a good day. Like, you can't complain about that. My buddy got on a muskie. He hasn't caught one in a long time. Me, myself, I really didn't get too much action. I got like one little nibble at the end of my bucktail, and that was it for me. Corey was getting annihilated on that giant whopper plopper he picked up. But he couldn't get a hit either. So it was just one of those days where it was tough, man. And what are you gonna do about it? And I wish I had it on film, but like, I was putting the boat away. So I'm putting the boat on the trailer because we're done for the day. My buddy's casting that giant whopper plopper off of the end of the dock and just got annihilated and missed the fish at the dock. But like, that was crazy. Like, that was so, in total, I think we had probably like 6 follows, and then we got one fish in the boat at about 39¼ inches. And I don't know, that's a day of muskie fishing for you guys. It's moving on into fall. The fishing's going to get insane. The fish are getting bigger, they're getting hungrier, they are getting more active, and hopefully we can get some dope content for you guys. So until then, if you guys are new here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna leak it a little bit. Next week we're gonna be doing a week that's going to be sponsored by Mystery Tackle Box. So if you guys are looking to get some free fishing gear, stuff like that, I know I just kind of leaked it at the end of this video, but hey, if you're watching, stay tuned for a video on that next week. And otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.